Hello children, this is a third set of formulae that we are using in the lesson electricity. First one, Ohm's law. Ohm's law is the relation between the potential difference, current as well as the resistance. So the formula is V by I equal to R. This can be written as R equal to V by I. What is V? Where V is potential difference measured in volts, I current measured in amperes, R resistance measured in ohms. Now the second formula, specific resistance or resistivity. Resistivity can also be known as specific resistance, and it is symbolized by the letter rho. Rho equal to RA by L, where A is area of cross section. As the area of cross section is in a circular pattern, so the area of cross section can be taken or substituted in the place of A, pi r square. So A equals to pi r square. That is the reason we are transforming this formula rho. Therefore, rho equal to R into pi r square by L, where capital R is the resistance of the conductor, L is length of the conductor, small r is radius of the wire of the curvature. So here is the first problem. How much current will on electric bulb draw 220 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1100 ohms? First write the data given. Potential difference. Potential difference equal to, here what is the potential difference given? 220 volts. If the resistance of the bulb, that is R equal to 1100 ohms, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the current, that is I. So what is the formula? Current I. Current I is equal to V by R. Substitute the values. What is V? 220 volts. And the resistance 1100 ohms. Simplify it, and 10s and 11 2s. So 2 by 10, which is nothing but 0.2 amperes. So 0.2 amperes is the current. Here is our second problem. The potential difference between the two terminals of an electric heater is 100 volts. When you draw a current of 4 amperes from the source, what current will the heater draw? If the potential difference is increased to 220 volts. Now, first write the data given. The potential difference between the two terminals of an electric heater is 100 volts. Therefore, given potential difference equal to 100 volts. And then it draws a current of 4 amperes. So, I equal to 4 amperes. First find the resistance, that is R. What is R formula? R equal to V by I. Substitute the values, that is 100 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4. 20. 5s are 100. So R is 25 ohms. If the potential difference is 100 volts and the current is 4 amperes, the resistance comes to be 25 ohm. And here in the extension of the question, if the potential difference is increased to 250 volts, what will be the current? So here, what is the potential difference? If potential difference increased to 250 volts, what will be the current? Just now we have found that is a resistance R equal to 25 ohms. Therefore, the current I, what is the formula? VI equal to V by R. Now the resistance, what is V? Potential difference given 250 volts by the resistance we found is 25 ohms. Now simplify this, 25 ones and 25 tens. So the current I is equal to 10 amperes. Here is a third question. The resistance of a wire of length 120 centimeters and diameter 0.04 millimeter is 25 ohms. Then calculate the specific resistance of the material of the wire. So what we first write the data given. Length of the wire for how much they have given 120 centimeters. Convert centimeters into meters, that is 120 by 100, we will get 1.20 or simply you can write 1.2 meters. Next, they have given diameter. The diameter of the wire is equal to 0.04 millimeter. And next, what is the resistance given? Resistance is R is equal to 25 ohm. Then what is asked to calculate? Calculate specific resistance of the material. Specific resistance is rho. So we need to calculate specific resistance. And what is the specific resistance formula? Rho equal to R A by L. What is our resistance? Resistance value already given in the question. L, length of the wire. Length of the wire found to be 1.2 meter. What is A? Area of cross section. But here directly they didn't give area of cross section. Now we need to find area of cross section. That is, what is area of cross section? A equal to pi r square. So here pi is a constant. Its value is 3.14. R is radius of cross section. They didn't give. So they, instead of that, in the question they have given here diameter. So half of the diameter is nothing but the radius. So radius R equal to 0.04 by 2, which is nothing but divide 2 ones are 0.02. Its value is 0.02 and diameter is given in millimeter, and you need to convert into meters. 1 meter equal to 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So altogether it is 1000 millimeters. So substitute here 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. So its value is 2. You can be written as a 2 into 10 power minus 5 millimeters. Now substitute these all values in the formula in order to find the solution. Now specific resistance rho equal to, what is the resistance of the wire? Conductor 25 ohm, and area of the conductor pi r square. Pi value is 3.14, and what is R? R value is 2 into 10 power minus 5 millimeter, as it is pi r square. So 2 into 10 power minus 5 r into r again 2 into 10 power minus 5 by, and its length is 1.2 meters. Simplify it. 25 into 3.14 into 2 into 2 is 4 into, as bases are same, powers will get added, so its value is 10 power minus 10 by 1.2. Now like this, go on simplify, you will get its answer as 2.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Children, once you find and do the simplification clearly in your rough notes. So here is a value of specific resistance, rho equal to 2.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meters. So once again I am explaining the procedure. In the question they have given length of the wire as 120 centimeters. Convert into the meters. Diameter have given 0.04 millimeter. But what we require? Radius. So find the radius in terms of meters. And resistance given as 25 ohm. Asked to find the resistivity. Resistivity formula is rho equal to RA by L. Now we have all values. R value 25 ohm, A value pi r square 3.14 into R value, that is 2 into 10 power minus 5 meter by L is 1.2 meters. Now simplify to get the answer of specific resistivity, 2.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Now here is the last question. Resistance of a metal wire of the length 1 meter is 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.3 millimeter, what will be the resistivity of the metal at room temperature? It is similar problem like the previous one. So first write the data given length of the wire is 1 meter. Already they given in meter, so no need to convert it again. And next, resistance is equal to 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. As if the diameter of the wire is 0.3 millimeters, so diameter D is equal to 0.3 millimeters. Find the radius, that is R. R is nothing but D by 2, half of the diameter, that is 0.3 by 2, which is nothing but 0.15 millimeters. Convert this millimeters into meter. Already previously I explained how to convert. So its value comes to be 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters. And now find the resistivity. Resistivity rho equal to R A by L, which equals to, what is R? R is resistance 26 ohm into A, pi r square. Pi value is 3.14. R value is 1.5 into 10 power minus 4, again 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 by the length is 1 meter. Now simplify this and try to get the answer as 1.84 into 10 power minus 6 ohm meter.